Alright, let's do an update on Smooth Love Potion. So in the previous video I did outline that I would need to see the 210 hold, otherwise I would be flipping bearish. You can see it was more of a box that I outlined between the 215 and the 210. I did say in my previous video, I believe I said I was like 75% bearish and 25% bullish, meaning that I found it much less likely that we were going to bounce off the 210 and go off to the races, and I found it more likely that we were going to break through the 210. As you can see, we have now broken below the 210, so I would be very, very cautious about, holding this coin, buying this coin, accumulating this coin while we are below 210. Do bear in mind, I'm not too fussed about like an hourly close, a 4-hourly close below this candle. What I have been outlining is that I would want to see a weekly close either above or below. That would be, what I'm looking for. Because, if we do go like this and have a huge dump, but then, we burst up and use this as support and go off to the races. If we did have our weekly close above this trend line, so be it, at which point I would still be somewhat bullish. I'm not really bullish on this coin. I don't really mean somewhat bullish, but I do mean that it's more likely to have bullish continuation. But we are going to have a decision coming in on this coin very, very soon. So in the next, well, for me, I'm in the UK. In the next 12 hours, we are going to have the weekly close. If you are in America, it might be a little bit longer. So keep an eye on the chart. If we do close a weekly below the 210, then in my opinion, that was it, and we are going to come at least back test these lows down here. So if I do take a measured move price target, my next target would be all the way down here on the previous lows. You can see that is a 58% drop. Now I do just want to outline something I pointed out in my previous video, which I believed was very good advice. And I did get dislikes on my video for saying that I am flipping somewhat bearish on SLP, but that's fine, because I'm here to provide value to my viewers. If I just told you all it was going to £10, I'm sure you'd be happy with that, but I'm not here to tell you what you want. I'm here to tell you what I see, and it's up to you whether you respect my opinion or not. That is completely up to you. But I did tell you that we do have this disgusting double top on the daily. If you look at this, the RSI never went above 70 apart from these 2 times. We did top off here at 84, and we have topped out here at round about 83. So I outlined this. I said that, this is a really, really worrying signal. Whenever we have topped up here, we have gone down and at least come down to the 30. Do bear in mind, this coin hasn't been out for the longest time, so this is really only the second time that it's happened. But I did say when I outlined this in the other video I made, I said that I've been a crypto trader for the past 2.5 years. I don't have a job, so crypto trading is all I do, and I make a living from it, so it is what it is. 2 years before that, I've been a stock trader for 2 years. So, volume and RSI are the most basic things that most people learn. I do find them to be paired with the RSI, the easiest things to trade, really. You don't really need all these millions of indicators. I do think keeping it, simple and plain is the best way to trade. At least for me, this is how I trade. I know a lot of people do it differently, but I did say, in all my years of trading, 4.5 years coming up to 5, I have never seen in my life a double top that has been this disgusting. And I gave you a massive warning. I said, in my opinion, we've topped out. If we come over to the total crypto market cap, I gave you a warning that we broke below the 618, so this was extremely bearish. I also told you that I'm not in altcoins because the Bitcoin dominance is broken above the 200-day, and unfortunately, SLP is now crashing with the rest of the market. So, I don't take any pleasure in saying that we are breaking bearish. Do bear in mind, I am saying that temporarily we are breaking bearish. I will need to see a weekly close below here before I do flip fully bearish. If we do something like this, retest, have the candle close here on Sunday, and then break down, I will be flipping bearish. And at which point, like I said, my next target is somewhere down here, almost a 60% drop. So that really is what it is. I don't like saying that we're breaking bearish, because I know that 99% of you watching this video, you're massive SLP fans. So I do want all of you to succeed. I want all of you to make massive gains, but I have to say it how it is, unfortunately. And this coin does look very, very shaky right now. I am not personally in any altcoins whatsoever. I'm only in Bitcoin. I am sitting on the sideline, waiting for lower prices of altcoins, waiting for, confluence that we are going to bottom out. If we do something like this, double bottom and have a huge bounce above all the previous resistance, I would need to see us get above this 410 before I ever even think about accumulating, simply because if we do zoom out, which I have outlined before, I have said previously that this coin is a pump and dump coin. Now don't take that the wrong way, because I'm a trader and traders make money off volatility, so the more volatile a coin is, the more money you'll make. I actually like pump and dump coins because they're just very easy to trade. So to show you what I mean, we had a huge pump, huge dump, huge pump, dump, and we've just continued, had a huge pump here, huge dump, huge pump, and now we're having a dump. So this coin really does this all the time. I mean, if we come back here, from here to here, we had a 150% rally, and that was a dead cat bounce. So I have warned you of this in my previous videos. I am warning you of this again. If you are a long-term SLP fan, so be it. If you do want to hold it, it's completely up to you. I'm not here to tell you what you should be trading, what you should be buying and whatnot. I am simply telling you my own plans on the market, and right now there's nothing else to tell you apart from if we do close below 110, I am going to be, well, I'm not personally going to be worried because I don't hold this coin, but I would be worried for the people holding this coin if we did break below 210. So yeah, that's all I'm really seeing. I really don't need to go into a million different indicators. I don't need to go to the weekly, the monthly. The daily is the number one thing we need to look at. If we do pump above 210 by tomorrow, get a strong volume bounce, so be it. But like I said, I mean, this RSI speaks 1,000,001 words to me. It does seem like we've double topped. So yeah, I mean, I'm staying away from this coin. That is just my opinion. And yeah, I mean, you've always got to do what's best for you, really. So Bitcoin's broken below 40k, total crypto market cap's broken below the 618, SPY is broken below 200-day. We're going to need to see what happens with the stock market tomorrow. The dollar's pumping, the dollar's very strong, been in this strong uptrend for a while, miles above the 200-day moving average. So yeah, I mean, just to reiterate, I've said this in all my videos previously, but I am staying out of altcoins until we at least do see a reversal, a huge reversal, or we do see a bottoming sign. And right now, I'm not seeing that, so I'm sitting on the sidelines. So yep, once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Best of luck to all of you. Peace.